Hello everyone. In this video we will see the classification, distribution, botanical description and medicinal properties of Brahmi plant. Brahmi plant is commonly called Indian pennywort or Asiatica pennywort, and the scientific name of this Brahmi plant is Scintilla asiatica, which belongs to the family Apiaceae. So this plant is perennial prostrate stoloniferous herb, and the plants are with slender stem, creeping stolon, and they are green to reddish green in color. So this plant has long stalked green rounded apices with palmately netted veins. The root stalks consist of rhizome which grows vertically down, and the root stalks are creamish in color and they are covered with root hairs. This plant grows well in shady place which contain clay soil with good moisture content and organic matter. Scintilla asiatica is indigenous to Indian subcontinent and it is widely cultivated in Southeast Asia and wetland regions of the southeast of United States. Usually the leaves are used. Now we will see the classification of Brahmi plant. So this plant belongs to kingdom Plantae, division Magnoliophyta, class Magnoliopsida, order Apiales, and family Apiaceae. Genus of this plant is Scintilla and species name is Asiatica. So it is called Scintilla asiatica. So this plant contains the substance called valerian, which has the odor and bitter persistent taste of the fresh plant. The root is given with milk in fever and dysentery. Usually the leaves are dried in a shade so that no active principle is lost. It is powdered and kept in a well-stoppered bottle. Internally it has been used as an tonic and it can be administered in a powder form in 5 to 10 grains doses in a 3 times per day. Now we will see the morphology of this Brahmi plant. Usually plant is green in color with bitter taste. Leaves are about 2 cm and they are flatchy, obovate, alternate, simple and with broad apex, and the lower surface is dotted, and this plant contains solitary stalked corolla bluish white in color and about 1 cm in size. One of the 5 sepals is larger than others and the minute seeds. So this Asiatica plant contains pentacyclic triterpenoids which includes asiaticoside, brahmioside, asiatic acid and brahmic acid. The other constituents include centellose, centelleoside and valerian. So this plant contains brahmin, which is a alkaloid and a mixture of 3 alkaloids, namely saponin, bacoside A and B. Its properties are similar to those of Bacopa monnieri plant, and these two plants are usually used as a tonic and to treat the various skin diseases this plant is used. So now we will see the benefits of Brahmi plant. Since ancient time, Brahmi plant is used as a traditional treatment for several disorders, especially the people who are suffering from anxiety, intellect and poor memory. In traditional medicine, Scintilla asiatica is used to treat various disorders and minor wounds. To cure irregular menstruation, this plant is used. It is also used to cure the wound of mouth and its powder is dusted over the ulcer. The root powder is given in a chronic skin diseases such as leprosy, skin eruptions and lupus, etc. And this plant is commonly used as a tonic. To build up the brain. So this magical herb enhances the functioning of the mind. It works on the nervous system and it increases the neurological functions in the brain. This plant is also used in the treatment of asthma, bronchitis and other respiratory problems. And Brahmi is frequently used to treat the upset stomach, consistent diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, and other disorders which are associated to intestine. Brahmi is used to nourish the hair and to treat the various skin problems. Root is given with a milk to cure fever and dysentery. It is used traditionally to treat the minor wounds, and for the treatment of anxiety this plant is used. And Brahmi is used to reduce the swelling, and it also improves the blood circulation in individual with a venous condition. And to improve the memory power, Brahmi plant is used. Thank you.